Guys, welcome back to another episode of This Versus That. I hope you guys enjoyed those footage that you saw there. It is with the iPhone 13 and the Zhiyun Q3. That was with some wide angle and with some cinematic stuff yesterday when I was testing it out. So game plan is that tonight I want to wait till it gets dark, and then I'm gonna go find some nice park. I'm gonna put this thing through its pace again with some night stuff using cinematic mode. iPhone 13 Pro Max with the Zhiyun Q3. By the way, I have a case on here and this thing is able to hold it. That's how incredible it is. With the case, Pro Max, 6.7 inch. How does it even hold? That was it right there. I hope you guys like that. That's pretty incredible. The footage that I saw, that's pretty incredible. I can't believe it came out of a phone, guys. All right. So some of those shots right there, I don't think would have been possible if I didn't have a gimbal. So yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy this setup quite a bit. So guys, I'm gonna take this thing out. I'm gonna do some more stress tests. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see, and I will reply to all those comments. All right. For now, I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.